What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel OneManEngineering. My name is Greg. Today we are going to be working on an Archdale verticoming once again, and we are trying to finalize and make the oil side glass on top of the machine. So what I have in mind is that there's going to be a base plate where the oil comes in, and there's going to be a spout in the middle, a glass around it, and then a top which will be bolted down with 4 bolts. Now in this episode we are making the bolts. We are making something like this. Okay, so here it is. Here's the drawing, and this is the test piece that I quickly made a couple of hours ago. So this, I hope you can read it. As I said, that I've got a 1/4 BSW thread over here, about like 1/2 inch long. The whole shaft is 1/4 inch. I've got a 1/2 inch shoulder over here because this is where it will be bolted down to the machine, so it sort of sits flush. And at the other end I've got a 5/16/18 thread, once again BSW. Now all of these measurements are really not that critical, so the tolerance can be as much as like 10 thou. I don't really mind. This thread is 3/4 long. As I said, 1/2 inch shoulder, which is a 1/8 thickness. This bit above the shoulder is 3 1/8 long, and therefore the whole assembly will be 4 inches long. And for all of this I'll be using this mystery rod, some sort of alloy. It looks fairly decent, and I think I can get all 4 out of it. 1, 2, 3. I think I have enough material in it, so let's head over to the lathe and start cutting. Order of operations should be, first we're gonna machine this thread. So I'm gonna turn this down to 5/16, make a nice little shoulder. This time I will not forget the undercut, I promise. And then we thread it, and after that we'll flip it. We're gonna put a sacrificial piece over here. I'm gonna thread it to 5/16/18, thread it in, and then support the workpiece on the other side with the live center and turn this shaft down. I think that's a good plan. We're at 675 thou, and 275 comes off. Right on the money. I'm on 420, so a little bit over 100 thou to come off. I'm 1 thou under, but I'll take it. Okay, so this is the second stage. I've machined all of these 4 studs, one side of them. All of them are 3/4 of an inch as stated on a drawing. And what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna face this sacrificial mystery metal I'm gonna drill a hole in it and tap 5/16/18, so I will have a shoulder to put these ones in, and then I can machine this side. There's a reason why I didn't go any deeper than that, because it's gonna be tapped to a 5/16/18, and I don't want to widen the hole. I don't want to over drill it. Let's put it that way, because I only have a 1/2 inch shoulder to butt up against. I don't know if you can see that, guys. That is 250.5. Okay, so here we are. We finished all 4 of these studs. I somehow managed to mar up this. I don't know if you can guys see that, because it was really difficult to dismount from a chuck, but apart of that, it is okay. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll hope you see you in the next one.